Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press. Here we are in Foley Square, Lower Manhattan. We're covering the Southern District of New York courthouse and the Sam Bankman-Fried case. Yesterday we reported, as soon as it was filed, that Judge Kaplan, who initially had said request to be hanging out with his lawyers with a laptop and the internet in the courthouse, was denied. It turns out on 48 hours notice it is approved, although the terms of which are totally unclear, because he approved a government letter, the last 3 paragraphs, all of which are redacted by the government. So once again, you have a situation in which the prosecutors who dropped the campaign finance charges, and again, I'm not against them in all cases at all, but this is a strange one. I think that other inmates who are not being allowed out of the MDC jail to come and hang around with their lawyers in the courthouse, with or without the internet and laptop, even though they're facing trial, they need to know what conditions have been approved or at least agreed to by the government. I guess the judge could say that his terms of discovery review could be confidential because it's a matter of just fair trial, but they don't want to cause chaos. And it is true. It is a strange one. Every time Bankman-Fried comes to the courthouse, even if it's in detention, you have photographers outside. I don't know how it's going to be between now and the trial in October, but what I do know is we're going to cover it closely. Yesterday, we covered yet another proceeding in the Charlie Javice, U.S. versus Charlie Javice case, in which it was said, Javice's lawyer said, J.P. Morgan Chase is driving the bus. She apparently defrauded J.P. Morgan Chase, but they're a big bank. They're big. Why didn't they do due diligence? Rather than just simply sue her for money, they've now sought to get the prosecutors to go after her. And I'm not carrying any water for any fraudster, Elizabeth Holmes-like fraudster. At the same time, it seems a bit strange. And so Chase itself will have to come into court in September, and we will be there. Now, in international news, forget it actually. The UN bans Inner City Press, let me say that. But before they did, we used to cover Nikki Haley when she was in there, and Vitaly Churkin. Well, they both came together yesterday on the debate stage when Nikki Haley pretty much implied that Putin killed Vitaly Churkin. Yes, she said Putin's a murderer and Vitaly Churkin, the Russian ambassador, mysteriously died. We're pursuing it and seeking to re-enter the UN.